If you had 90 days to start a business in the United States, no experience, no big money, just your time and focus, could you actually do it? Most people think business takes years, but that's not true. What it really takes is clarity, speed, and execution. So in this video, I'm going to give you a real 90-day roadmap. No hype, no fake promises, just a system that actually works in 2026. Let's start with the truth. Most people fail before they even begin because they start with the wrong question. They ask, what business should I start? That's the wrong question. The right question is, what problem can I solve that people will pay for? Because businesses don't make money from ideas, they make money from solving problems. So your journey starts here. Month 1, clarity and skill building. This is the foundation, and if you skip this, everything collapses later. So here's what you do. Go to platforms where real money is already moving, places where people are actively paying for services. Search on Upwork or Fiverr. Look at the jobs. Look at what people are hiring for. Don't guess. Don't assume. Follow the market. Now choose one service, not 10. One. Something simple and in demand, like video editing, social media management, basic content creation, lead generation. These are not just skills, they are income tools. Now spend the next 2 to 3 weeks learning that skill. Not perfectly, but enough to deliver a real result. Watch tutorials, practice daily, build 2-3 sample works, because you don't need a degree, you need proof. That's month 1. Now month 2, execution and first money. This is where most people get stuck, because now it's not about learning, it's about action. Your goal in month 2 is simple. Get your first paying client. Not 10, not 5, just 1. Because 1 changes everything. So how do you do that? You go where your clients are. Small businesses, creators, local brands, and you reach out directly. Message them. Offer your service clearly. But here's the difference. Don't talk about what you do. Talk about what they get. Not, I edit videos. Instead say, I help you get more views and customers using better video content. That's value. That's what people pay for. Now at the same time, start posting content, even simple content. Show your work, show your progress, share small wins, because visibility builds trust, and trust brings clients. Your first payment might be small, $50, $100, but that's not the goal. The goal is proof. Because once you make money once, everything changes. Now, month 3, scale and structure. This is where it becomes a business, not just a side hustle. Now you take what worked and you repeat it, but better. Increase your price, improve your offer. Focus on results, because results justify higher income. Now, instead of chasing clients randomly, you build a simple system. Outreach daily, content consistently, better communication. Track everything. Clients, payments, progress. This is how you go from chaos to control. And here's where it gets interesting. If you're getting too much work, you don't stop, you delegate. Outsource small tasks, keep the high-value parts. This is leverage. This is how real businesses grow. Now, let's talk about something important, mindset. Because strategy without mindset fails. You will feel lost. You will feel slow. You will feel like it's not working. That's normal, because growth is uncomfortable. But here's the truth. Most people quit too early, not because it doesn't work, but because it's not instant. If you stay consistent for 90 days, you will see results. Maybe not perfect, but real. And real is all you need to continue. Now, let's be honest, this is not easy. It requires focus, discipline, and action. But it's simple, and simple works. So if you follow this roadmap, month 1, learn a skill. Month 2, earn your first money. Month 3, scale and structure. You won't just start a business. You'll build a system that can grow. And that's what matters.
Because in 2026, opportunities are everywhere, but only for people who move. So, don't wait. Don't overthink. Start now. Follow Neurocage, because your future income depends on what you do today.